Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. This time I have a Gosund smart plug in here for UK. I already did a review on the EU one, so this is a UK one. I think this is a pack of two. Let's find out. Or 1, 2, 4. Ah! Okay, right. So that's how you unbox. Okay. Very good. There's something clicking in here. I don't know what that is. Oh, look at that. Hidden card. What are these things? Look at these things, man. These are weird. I don't know what the heck these are. Actually, I know what they are. They're when they are punctured out. These holes. That's what she said. Okay, so what is this? So much for your purchase. Enjoy. What? Oh, okay, thank you. I don't read right from right to left, so yeah, 80% off. What is that? I don't know. That's some promotional carding. So instruction manual. I don't think I need this. These are the blocks. So it comes pack of 4, as you can see. I think there's pack of two. Get it? Go soon. Check this out. I like the UK ones better because they are like smaller and stuff. But yeah. Depends if you have or not. I have both. I mainly use the UK ones. Most of my stuff is UK ones, but I also use the EU ones. EU ones are, you know, the hole has to be really deep, so it has to be a lot bigger, you know, deep. But yeah, the plug itself has to be, or the socket, or whatever you call it. Socket, I think, is better. It says smart plug, but plug is like the other end, you know, that you plug into the socket. This is plug, so yeah, technically socket, plug, so yeah, whatever. I don't know why, but I wanna do this. Okay, there we go. That's actually pretty heavy. Look at that. I don't know why I did this for, but right. So I'm gonna connect this up and show you how to connect it. You need a Smart Life app. And that's about it. I already have it installed, so I just have to set this up. Here's some information for you. 10 amps, was it 230 volts? So yeah, it shows you here 2300 watts. That's pretty much enough for anything. You can connect up a heater or anything to it. So, and usually the rating on the products, like I mean the, you know, the units, devices, whatever you connect to it, if it says 2000 watts, it usually never takes more than like 1800 maybe. So, and usually on these ones too, this is like a precaution. So if you connect like 2500, it should still work just fine, but you should not do it. Hiya! I got a socket in here that's already powered, so I'm gonna just connect this up and see what happens. It's already blinking, as you can see, so these are ready to pair. I don't need the manual because I already know how it works. So if it doesn't blink like this, then you just have to hold the button until it starts blinking. So, and once it does, then we need the app thing. So I finally got this app running. It usually takes a while on the tablet because it's not supposed to support this one, but I put it on it anyway, so through a third-party installer. So we already have some devices in here. We're gonna add a new one, top one, this plus icon in here. We click that one. Did I click on it or not? There's no indication. It doesn't show if I actually clicked on something or not. Alright, there we go. It's difficult to hold it in front of the camera and then click at the same time. So we want the socket. It's in here. So you have a lot of options in here. We want, whoops, what did I click on? Electrical engineering. Then we click socket. There we go. Yeah, there is no indication. It doesn't like click or anything. So it has to confirm that it's blinking. That's what it's doing. So it's blinking. So we click here. Confirm that indicator is rapidly blinking, isn't it? Okay, anyway. You have to enter your network name in here. Your internet. The one that connects to this one. So this one has to be in the vicinity of your internet. So type it in. I already have it because I have set it up before. So otherwise you type your connection and the blah 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 password. Confirm. This is necessary for this device to connect to your wireless, not the tablet, but to your internet in the house. So that's how this works. This shouldn't take too long, maybe like 30 seconds, something like this. It usually goes to like 15-16% and then it jumps to 100. There we go. See, that's just like that. Mini smart plug. Yeah, I'll just leave it as it is and then we click done. You have to do this with all these plugs. One of them is not enough, so this is power off. If we click this one, see, it's power on. See, it went red in here. This thing, it's difficult to show. See, yeah, that's red. And if we click this one, that's off. I'll get a lamp in here just to show you how it works. Right, I got the light connected up in here, so if I push the button on the tablet, then click, it's on, click, it's off, and you can also do it manually by clicking here, and as you can see, the tablet updates at the same time. See, if I click this, actually the entire screen lights up, which is pretty cool. It doesn't light up, this is just a black background, and if you turn it on, then it's a white background. So it's pretty cool, guys, it's pretty cool. But that's how it works. And obviously you need to connect all of these up the same way I did this one, and then you can just control all of them. See, if you go, there are different options in here. Let's see, what is this? Let's turn it on, then you can actually see. Power, there is a timer. Yeah, you have to set the new schedule thing. There is also, what is that? Countdown. See, you can put how long you want. Why is it on? Okay, it's whatever. Electric, I don't know what that is. Eh? What is that? Oh, it's like a meter thing. It counts how much it... wait, can it? It can count how much goes through the plug? I don't think so. But anyway, there is also Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. I don't even know what that one is. I know it's similar to this, but you can connect them up in here if you want. So, but yeah, this thing, I don't know how this thing exactly works. It says current voltage is 231.8. Current power is 38.3. Yeah, I don't know if it automatically knows that. That's pretty cool. I did not know this. So apparently this device, it can measure how much power goes through it. So yeah, this is a 40-watt light bulb, I believe. So let's turn it off and let's check if it's a little bit hot, but I can take it out. Yeah, it's a little bit hot, but okay, it's too hard to hold it like this. Ow. It should be 40 watts, so yeah, that's pretty cool. See, now it shows nothing. So, but if you turn it on, let's see. Yeah, it takes no power, so it actually knows if something is going through that, guys. That is pretty awesome. So that really is a smart plug. I didn't know it has this kind of function. I think the previous one I did a review on, it also showed it, but I didn't know, so pretty awesome stuff, guys. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.